We're delighted you found your way to our Distance Learning Hub. The Distance Learning Hub can be used for free in a variety of ways by everyone. I will share with you what the Hub is and how to use it as a participant, DofE Leader, or as Assessor or teacher. What is the Distance Learning Hub? The Distance Learning Hub is an online learning platform with many different modules that can be used for the Duke of Edinburgh's award. The modules are subdivided into 4 sections: skill, physical, volunteering, and expedition, which are required sections for a DofE award. Nevertheless, the modules can be used for your own personal and professional development. If you're a teacher, support worker, or a parent, you can use the Distance Learning Hub to teach others, use the material as inspiration for activities, or for engaging with larger groups. I will now take you on a quick tour of how to navigate the Hub. Once you have signed up for the Hub for free using this form, you'll receive an email with your login details. You can then access all modules and have a look through them. In your dashboard, you can see your current enrollments, progress, saved modules, and other interesting things you might like. The modules are sets of 12, 24, or 48 weeks that can be counted towards your DofE Bronze, Silver, and Gold Award section respectively. You can get an overview of each module through the mind map and taster video in each module. We are working on making our Hub accessible to all by adding audio, video, and British Sign Language to our modules on a regular basis. If a module contains one of the following symbols in the module overview, the module will have either or all audio available, videos available, and British Sign Language. To enter the course, click on Start or Resume Learning, or on one of the weeks in the module overview. Inside the module, the weeks are structured by a menu on the left. In the exercise files, you can find each week's PDF and, if available, audio and video files. All of these can be downloaded to your device, which makes it possible for you to learn anywhere at any time from your computer, phone, with printed materials, at home or on the go. In the right corner or at the bottom of the page, click Mark as complete once you have finished this week's material. Then move on to the next week. Your progress shows on the top and in your dashboard. Once you reach the end of the course, don't forget to fill in our feedback form so we can constantly improve our Hub and make it more accessible. If you are doing your DofE and you need an assessor, please contact us on our website. With this, there is nothing more to say than we hope you enjoy using the Hub. Happy learning!